Pre-Mauryan period, rise of Magadh. The rise of Magadh as a prominent power in the Pre-Mauryan period played a crucial role in shaping the history of ancient India. Magadh was one of the 16 Mahajanapdas and eventually became the nucleus of the Mauryan Empire. In the early stages, Magadh was a relatively small kingdom in the eastern part of the Indian subcontinent. It was situated in the fertile region of present-day Bihar and parts of Jharkhand in northeastern India. The kingdom of Magadh gradually expanded its territorial control through strategic alliances, military conquests, and diplomatic maneuvering. One of the key figures in the rise of Magadh was King Bimbisara, who ruled in the 6th century BCE. Bimbisara adopted an aggressive expansionist policy and successfully annexed neighboring territories, including the Kingdom of Anga. Through his military campaigns, he expanded Magadh's boundaries and established it as a major power. Bimbisara's son, Ajatashatru, continued the expansionist policies and further strengthened Magadh's position. He defeated several rival kingdoms, including the powerful kingdom of Kosala, and established Patliputra, modern-day Patna, as the capital of Magadh. Ajatashatru's reign marked a significant turning point in the rise of Magadh, as he laid the foundation for its future prominence. Magadh's rise to power was not solely based on military strength. The kingdom also benefited from its strategic location. It was situated at the crossroads of important trade routes, which facilitated economic growth and the accumulation of wealth. The fertile Ganges River basin in the region supported a thriving agricultural economy, contributing to the prosperity of Magadh. Another factor that contributed to Magadh's rise was its political and administrative organization. The kingdom adopted efficient administrative systems, maintained a well-disciplined army, and implemented policies to ensure stability and control over its territories. Magadh's rulers also patronized intellectuals, scholars, and spiritual leaders, attracting talent and fostering cultural development. The rise of Magadh as a dominant power eventually led to the establishment of the Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya, who was originally from Magadh, overthrew the last Nanda king and established the Mauryan dynasty. He expanded the empire to encompass most of the Indian subcontinent, creating one of the largest and most powerful empires in ancient history.